Here we are back for round 2, Pearl Harbor, commemorating 70 years of peace. A beginning floral display marking the deaths in Pearl Harbor in 1941, the deaths of the Japanese who died after our atom bombs were dropped, and then the third marking 70 years of peace. Nagaoka, the Japanese sister city to Honolulu, because we're looking at Pearl Harbor, Ford Island. They have brought fireworks for which they are world known to Pearl Harbor for this celebration tonight. To repeat, tonight, August 15th, 2015, but 70 years ago yesterday, Japan surrendered, ending World War II. This video is taken from the home of the friends of mine, Jan and Trip McKinney. They live on Aiea, a region of Honolulu.
We thank you for watching tonight's display of the Nagaoka fireworks 70 years after the end of the Pacific War. Mahalo to the city of Nagaoka, the city and county of Honolulu.
I guess that is it for tonight, according to the radio announcer.